Hello students, today in Writer's Workshop we're going to work on writing our body paragraphs. Now you will need your animal intelligence research note cards, all three, in order to write your body paragraphs. The first step to writing a body paragraph is to start with a topic sentence related to our subtopics. So I'm going to go back to slide number 2, and I'm going to look at the subtopics that I listed in my graphic organizer. I have them here in my example. My subtopics were saving energy, navigation, and communication. And so I know that I would need my topic sentences in paragraph 1 should be about saving energy. My topic sentence in paragraph 2 should be about navigation. And my topic sentence in paragraph 3 should be about communication. We're going to take a look at my examples of my topic sentences. So I first wrote my topic sentence for body paragraph number 1, which was about saving energy. One reason birds fly in a V formation is to save energy. Remember, my research question was, why do birds fly in a V formation? My second subtopic was navigation. So I said in my topic sentence, another reason birds fly in a V formation when migrating is to help with navigation. That's my topic sentence. I'm going to highlight that so we can look at that again in a minute here. And for my third body paragraph, which I knew had to be about subtopic number 3, which was communication, I wrote a sentence that said, an additional reason that birds fly in a V formation is to communicate with the flock while migrating. Now, this is just the topic sentences. Now is the point where I have to add in my textual evidence. How do I know that one of the reasons that birds fly in a V formation when migrating is to help with navigation? Well, I read an article that told me so, and I took down some notes on my note card. The article I read was titled, Why Do Birds Fly in a V Formation? And it was from Wonderopolis. And I had some textual evidence here that I had wrote down in my evidence section. And I'm going to add that evidence to my paragraph now with an evidence-based term and listing the title of the article. So I said, according to the article, that is our evidence-based term. According to the article, why do birds fly in a V formation? And here is my direct quote because it's in quotation marks. During the winter months, when the weather becomes too cold for them to survive in their northern habitats, the birds need to return to their homes. So that's a bit about the migration part. Now, one thing we didn't talk about was in-text parenthetical citations. And after the direct quote, I do need to put in parentheses the publisher or the author who wrote this article. And that goes after every direct quote or summarization. The article also stated, that's another evidence-based term. The article also stated the birds take turns leading the flock to areas with more food. And this also was from the article that I read, Why Do Birds Fly in a V Formation? The publisher was Wonderopolis. So after that direct quote, I need to have an in-text parenthetical citation. So as you're completing this graphic organizer today, you are checking for 1, you have a topic sentence that relates to subtopic number 1 from your thesis statement graphic organizer. In body paragraph number 2, it relates to subtopic number 2 from your thesis statement, and body paragraph number 3 relates to subtopic number 3 from your thesis statement. You will then use your note cards to cite evidence from the articles that you read. You will include an evidence-based term, like according to the article, and you will include an parenthetical citation